Girl Bella.
Hello babes, welcome back to my channel. This is Shannon B and you are watching Brown Girl Bella, where I bring you lips, lashes, and luxury. If you came to see the latest glow recipe unboxing, stick with me. Hello again babes, it's me Shannon B for Brown Girl Bella, back to bring you more lips, lashes, and luxury. If you are not already part of the Bella Brigade, consider doing so. All you have to do is click that subscribe button and then tap that bell to be notified each and every time that I upload. Alright, let's see what glow recipe has for us this month. I was so pleasantly surprised and pleased when I got my first box, and so now this is my second glow recipe box and I can't wait to open it. So let's begin. First of all, it's wrapped in tissue paper. I love that. And ooh, it came with a sample of their Plum Plump Hyaluronic Serum Deep Hydration Plus Glow. Oh, I love. So before I even opened the box, this was on top. And now let's open up the glow recipe box. Here's a beautiful box. Again, same as last time. Okay. Alright, so inside the box we have a card and it says Glow Recipe Glow in Style Summer 2020 with our limited edition collection of Glow Gang merch. Ooh. Okay, so inside I got the following. It says on the box, hey Glow Gang, feed your skin with fruit powered clean formulas for your glowiest self. Isn't that cute? So cute. Alright, let's see. The first thing that I see in the box is the Watermelon Glow Ultra Fine Mist. Now I already have some here, but as you can see, it's been well loved. You know, you have to shake it up so that it will form a beautiful foam look like that. And then I love the way it smells and the way it mists. It's just fantastic. So I love this. So this is another one of that. So I am very happy. It says the Watermelon Ultra Fine Mist refreshes skin and enhances makeup with watermelon hyaluronic acid and hibiscus AHA. This hydrating mist is so ultra fine and delicate, it envelopes your skin in a dreamy fog. It just did. It literally just did. You're supposed to shake before use like I did for optimum results and hold it between 8 to 10 inches away, which is what I did. Firmly press on the nozzle and mist 2 or 3 times across the face. Hold closer to the face for a maximum dewy effect and use it throughout the day. It's fantastic. I can't say enough about it. The next thing that I have in my box is a Glow Recipe tie-dye bandana. Oh. So rock all the colors of Glow Recipe's rainbow with this sweet bandana. Tie it to your bag or use it as a headband or headscarf to give your look an extra pop of color. Iron me from the back side only. So this is pretty. I will definitely use it for days where I want to tie my hair up before I do my skincare. Let's open it up and see how soft it is. Oh yes. Very satiny. So very pretty. I like it. Here's how it looks unfolded. And again, because of the satin sheen, you iron it from this side. But I love this. Perfect for those days where, you know, you want to just pin your hair up before you do your facial masks and things of that nature. So, love it. The next thing is something I've always wanted to get for myself, but I just never got it for whatever reason. So I'm really happy about this. It is a mini humidifier. Who doesn't love that, right? A mini humidifier. So cute. So cute. When you do your facials, perfect. Let's see what it says. Mini humidifier and sticker sheet. Give your skin some extra TLC with a mini humidifier that fits perfectly by your desk, on your vanity, or by your bedside. Customize it and make it as unique as you are with a sticker sheet featuring our fruit family and friendly reminders to stay hydrated 24/7. Includes a USB cable and instruction sheet. Oh, love that. And then you also have the sticker sheet. So cute. So you can customize it. Really nice. Love it. And it's something I've always wanted to get, and then for whatever reason I never get it. So now I have it and I can hydrate 24/7. Next is a Glow Gang pouch. Oh, this is cute. I have tons of makeup bags, but never any one that is see-through. How about that? Really cute. Glow Gang Glow Recipe. And then finally I received a Glow Recipe keychain. Cute. So that was everything that I got, including the little serum that they stuck on the back of the box. I guess they were supposed to put it inside the box and forgot. But I love that they did include it because I wanted to try this. So now I have a sample to try. That was everything in my glow box. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give us a thumbs up. Really helps this channel out a lot. Don't forget, if you are not subscribed, consider doing so. And then don't forget to tap that bell for notifications each and every time that I upload. Until next time, you've been Bellafied. Take care, and I'll see you back here soon. With watermelon,